Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. So today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Sensationnel. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I give you my 2-3 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Tears fall at last. I see my past like it's still around. But am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now? Pictures might last, but my frame just cracked. Think I'm going down. Had to light this up. Am I happy now? Am I happy now? Not to it all. Different heights, but it's the same old fall. Angels in my head saying walk it off. Devil's telling me that there's nothing wrong. Tears fall at last. I fear my past like it's still around. But am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now?
So now you watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. So the unit that I'm reviewing today is this one right here. It's by Sensationnel in the Cloud Swiss Lace collection in the style Leena. I have Leena in the color Balayage Caramel. Leena comes with a 13x6 air-to-air with 6-inch deep hand-tied lace. She is pre-plucked with natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave-out necessary. The unit does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps, and because it is a 13x6, it can be parted left, right, or center. Leena is also 100% premium synthetic fiber. The unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Some more about the unit. So yeah, this is how she came. This is how I styled it. I also showed you how it could be parted left, right, or center. So yeah. So let's take each feature and see if I agree with you. 13x6 air to air, yes. Pre-plucked with natural density, yes. Undetectable flawless lace, yes. Perfect hairline with baby hairs, yeah, but I didn't mess with the baby hairs, so I don't know. Pre-customized unit, yes. Protective style, no leave out, yes. Necessary, yes. So this is the unit. This is the unit. Let's see what I could tell you about the unit before I get into my thoughts. The unit is beginner friendly, not so much beginner friendly, I don't think. Does have a little bit of flyaways, has the potential to shed. I did not try the heat, and also has the potential to tangle. But the only thing I don't like about the unit is the color. I'm guessing the balayage is on one side of the unit, and it's on a weird side. So it's like right here. So I had to take this piece out from right here and put it right here. So you can't do a middle part and see the balayage. You can't do right side part and see the balayage. So I don't know what the thought process was in just putting it on one side. I don't get it. So if you put it like this, you can't barely see it. So you know what I mean? And if you put a center part, it's also hard to detect. So I'm not sure what the thought process was in the location of the balayage, but that's the only thing I don't like about it. Other than that, well, let me say not the only thing. It has a potential to tangle, and it sheds. But I think mine sheds because I trim some of the ends to make it more customized to my face. So I also think that's why it is shedding. Tangling, if you interfere with the curls, they will tangle. So get you some mousse, get you some leave-in conditioner, get you something to tame these tangles and these flyaways. Okay, see what I'm saying? Like the color, I don't know, the balayage has a weird placement. I don't know, child. Sensationnel is the only one that know why they do what they do. But this one, I definitely say it looked like the stock card. I know I've been coming for them and telling them, be giving us units after y'all pre-style it on someone, took the picture, and then it don't look nothing like the stock card. This one does look like the stock card, so I am giving them their props. Would I recommend the unit? Why not? I mean, if you are in the market for a new unit and you want to try some curls, go ahead and get this. If you feel like you're experienced and you want to move up from beginner, go ahead and try it. I don't think this is beginner because I had a lot of work to do to separate the curls, to do a parting area and not disturb the curls and not allow it to tangle. So that's why I say it's not beginner friendly. But you know, whatever you think your comfort zone is, go ahead and pick the unit up. What else can I say about the unit? Nothing. That's about it. I do love the 13x6 though, and I love that it's beginner friendly. It's just that it don't fit my head. So, but if you have a medium-sized head or a small head, try a stock card. It's not a stock card. Try a stocking cap or a lace grip and it should help. Okay, but this is what I got. Let me know what you guys thought about the makeup and the wig together, or one or the other. You can let me know if you just like one, if you like none. Let me know. That's what I'm here. That's why I'm asking you for feedback, so I could gear the content to your preference. Because you are here because something about me or something I said, something I did interests you. I want to keep you here, so I'm asking you, what is it that you like? Okay, so if you got to the end of the video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.